Hello everyone. Today I will teach you how we can actually change the background color of hundreds or let's say thousands of images using Adobe Photoshop. So first thing that we need to do is we will import one of your photos. Just like this. And we need the help or we will need the help of actions. Just go here into Windows, find the actions, or it has a corresponding shortcut of Alt plus F9. Just click. Okay. Now, what is the concept of actions? So the purpose of this is every activity that we are doing here in Photoshop, it records here in actions. So for example, I will create a new action. I will rename it as, like for example, white background, because we need to change all of these color into white. Okay, so once I click the record, okay, so let's say white background 2 because I already have existing name for this. So I click the record and you see every activity that we are doing here, it will reflect here in the action. For example, I will unlock this layer. Okay, so it records. Now, I will remove the background and then I will change the actual background into color white. Okay, so you see the procedure that we execute, it records here in action. So let me stop the recording because we're done with this. So to test whether if this actually works, so I will import another images. So we don't need to perform the procedure that we create because it actually records here. For example, I will click the white BG2, the actions that we create, and I will simply click the play selection. And you see, it works. Now, I have hundreds of images here. It is possible that we can feed all of these images here in Photoshop and the Photoshop will automatically replace its background. Yes, it is possible. So first thing that we need to do, go to File and find the scripts. Go here into Image Processor. We have 4 stages here. So the first one is select the image to process. So I will select the folder where my images is stored. Okay, so I will click the OK. The stage 2, select location to save processed image. So I want to save it in same location. Or you can select folder. So it's up to you. And the stage 3 will be the file type. So I want it to save as JPEG. So the quality, you can actually increase the quality. And the 4, the preference. Do you still remember that we create the white BG2? So here in run action, click the default action and here, just select your desired actions. Okay, so once done, click the run. And here you go. Photoshop will automatically read your hundreds of images and Photoshop will remove or change its background. Thank you for watching.